team of the offshore during accidental situation product. Prevent any risks and report any accidental impacts on yeah, this can be the suggested
This is okay.
mitigation.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So it is all low, so there will be no impacts.
Hello, Mr. Anil. Hi, Anil. This is Ved first. You were trying to contact me and I was busy. I'm sorry for that, man.
Yeah, Mr. Ved, actually, can you mute your...
there was some requirement from your side.
Nisham, can you mute?
No, actually, Mr. Ved is pointing out something.
Yeah. Till 21st.
Busy. Yeah, please. Mr. Ved, do you have any question? Please. Hello? Okay, I think he's muted.
So here, what is the...
Okay, protected...
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Rana.
Okay. Cultural heritage and archaeological sites. There are no archaeological sites. However, there are two sites I had. Those are not marked by the department, DCT, Department of Culture and Tourism, but there is an old graveyard on site. This is moved. Let me open another map I had. 1 minute, let me open another map.
No, but any excavation, what we will do will be along the existing project route.
Yes, this is only
small, I think 100 meter maximum excavation, 200 excavation. It is within the plant.
Yes. Okay, this is the old graveyard, which is more than 700 meters from the project site, so no impacts foreseen. And this is not recognized by the authorities. However, this has some archaeological importance, cultural importance. We'll mention it in the document, but no impacts foreseen. This is the pipeline. This is 500-meter corridor, and this is 1 kilometer, 500 meter and 1 kilometer corridor. So no impacts on this, even there is old graveyard on this. Now let's move further. Okay, what about the chance finds? Because there will be some digging activity, 100 meters or whatever it is, right? So on the island, there will be excavation or construction activities. There is chance of archaeological finds. These finds may be damaged if not handled properly.
No, but there is no archaeological things involved there in the route.
No, there is no. But when we are digging some area, there is.
It will be 3 to 4 meters. The digging excavation will be 3 to 4 meters maximum.
But if you look at the impact and its mitigation, there is nothing thing which is going to restrict your activities. There will be a chance find procedure which will be part of this study. We will develop it, and in case you find some fossils or anything, you will have to report DCT in that case. So I don't think we can reduce the severity minor, but we can keep it, in my opinion. Don't you think there is possibility that during excavation work there is
no, but this cultural sir, this element which is cultural heritage and archaeological sites. So this, in my opinion, my understanding, can be applicable if we are having a new greenfield site which has been selected near to these areas, but this is already existing facility.
Okay.
So Das Island is already existing facility. So why this cultural heritage and archaeological sites element will be is applicable? This is my
Look,
actually.
if this is already excavated area. This is almost I think how much area this is? 100 meter, 200 meter, right? Uh, 1 or 200 total. Out of this, some area is within the existing plants area, and
Yes,
then
yes.
there is some.
All is in the existing plant. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. So we can say nothing in greenfield area, everything is in brownfield area.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, fine. All the right. There is no possibility of chance find, so we can remove not applicable.